Hey YouTube, SpookHD here again with a short video of explaining how you too can jump right into Project Diablo 2. Been getting a lot of questions about this. I just wanted to dive in and give it a real quick overview at one place to send you or anybody else to come in, get this base game, also get the mod for it, and just get you on your way. Easy to go. All the links and everything, and anything else, any questions or comments or anything concerns should be in the description below. So let's jump right into it. First, you're going to go to the Battle.net shop app. It's going to be the first link in the description. It'll take you here. Once you do get here, you just sign in to your account and you scroll down and you'll get to classic games. As you can see here, I already have both the classic and the LOD expansion for the game, so I don't need to do any of them. But if you don't have them, you can go ahead and purchase them. They're both $9.99 each. You do need both copies. Once you do that, you're going to go right over to the second link, which will be taking you over to how to download them. So you'll scroll down right here. You'll have two links here. First, you'll need to download the Diablo 2 PC. That will give you an installation file. You'll download that, install it to a directory, and then you'll come back here and you'll click the second link for the expansion. Okay, once you do that and you install both of those, you will be required to have your Battle.net key. So you'll have to go up to here, you'll go to account settings, you'll go down to game subscriptions, and you'll scroll down. When you scroll down, you will get to these things at the very bottom, right? It's going to say Diablo 2, Diablo 2 LOD. Now on the right-hand side, right off the screen that you can't see, will be your license key. You will need that license key during the install, so don't forget that, and you will come back here to get that. Now, once you've done that, you will have to go over to Project Diablo2.com. Okay? If you do not have an account already, you will need to create an account. Once you create an account, you can go here to game. You'll click this download link. You'll scroll down and you'll have the download link right here. This download link will prompt you to download the Project D2 installer. When you do that, you will need to select the same folder that you installed the other two games. So with that being said, if you guys have any more questions, I will have a Discord link to their Discord and my Discord, which we can help you through it. So until next time, have a great time. We'll see you in the next video.